Good morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update. And this update is for Monday, the 14th of August, 2023, 8:15 a.m. Central Time. And we're in a day where we have no major economic news coming out. Yeah, we get Target and we get a few other reports coming out in earnings. But in terms of real economic data, simply not there. We have a light time until we get to Wednesday, actually. Then we start picking things up. The dollar is getting another strong bid. Now, overnight, we saw that now a major shadow bank in China has missed payments. It's a $136 billion division of a big conglomerate there. And that is a real problem for the market. So what is China's response to it? Well, we're going to create a task force to look in to see why. So we've got countrywide, we've got this, we've got that, and nothing seems to be happening. It's not being lost on the metal markets. Instead of them getting a rally flight to safety, it's more of the same weakness. You got down under the 370 level in copper. This was just a market over 402 a week and a half ago, so it gives you an idea what's going on. We're starting to show more pronounced weakness. I, this morning, thought you'd get more of a bounce out of the Aussie dollar. Certainly at 5 this morning, the market was pressing near the highs. It has since reversed course, and the dollar has gotten the bid. Everything else weak. As the dollar's getting stronger, you're putting some pressure right through here. Do you honestly think China is going to be an increased buyer of crude as we keep seeing all these problems happening in their economy? No financial stimulus coming forward? I, for one, don't. When I'm looking at the grain markets, to me, the chart action is still that of bearishness. I see the beans are getting a bounce, but I doubt it's going anywhere. We saw over the weekend in the grain markets that a cargo ship tried to sail through what Ukraine is declaring to be a safe corridor. First thing that happened, a Russian warship fired a broadside, then boarded the ship. Ship was allowed to continue later on, but it wasn't going in the direction it originally was. That's at least from the reports of things. Bonds and notes, you continue to see. Interest rates continue to climb. Over the weekend, Goldman came out and said that they expect by June now of next year that the Fed will begin the rate cuts. Well, you know, I can't argue with that. I don't know if that's right, wrong, or not. You're telling me to try to predict out, if you think about it, 10 months down the road. There's going to be a lot of things that happen. So it's nice to come out with those grandiose statements, but will it? I don't know. So, and I don't think you do. What we know right now is interest rates are high. The Fed doesn't have to do much if you think about it. The market's doing it for them. Across the curve yield, rates continue to climb ever so slowly, but just continue to climb. And that is crushing people that need to go out and borrow money to expand business, the like, and so on. Now, this is a good time. It's the dead dog days of summer. Learn. We have our guide to technical indicators, volumes both 1 and 2. These were created years ago with my help over at Futures Magazine, which is no longer even around. But I'll tell you, I look on the internet all the time to see what people put together. It's the best thing I've ever seen. It is as timely today as when I was creating it back then. The pictures, the ideas, teaching you relationships. It's a primer, all done in beautiful color. It's a PDF that I made it. You just simply, we mail it to you, you print it out, and boom, you go, whoa, look at this. And it walks you through the beginnings of all this. Now, is it going to make you an expert in each one? No. A guide like this simply is not geared to do that. Example, you want to learn out of something like this, the Bollinger Bands, the way that I teach them. I create courses for that. So if you're interested in this, how do you get it? Simply give us a call, 866-973-2077. Click up here if you want. You'll see an icon. That'll take you right to our website, or go to iraepstein.com. Free offers. Everything is there. I'm Ira. You have a good day.